now. The future of technology. The future of driving experience. The future of your world itself. Let Ciaz introduce you to the one who will drive you to this newer, smarter world. It's time to make way for the revolution. SHVS. SHVS stands for Smart Hybrid Vehicle by Suzuki. The SHVS is equipped with an integrated starter generator, ISG, whose motor function improves fuel efficiency by supplementing the engine's power. The ISG is combined with a highly fuel-efficient, high-torque common rail-type diesel engine called the DDIS200, achieving still greater fuel efficiency gains. The ISG takes the place of a conventional alternator. In addition to generating electricity, the ISG functions as a motor for engine restart acceleration. Capable of high generation output, the ISG is capable of energy regeneration by using energy from deceleration. The regenerated electricity is used to restart the engine after engine auto stop and start, and to assist the engine during fuel-consuming acceleration, boosting fuel efficiency. The engine auto stop and start system automatically stops the engine to prevent unnecessary fuel consumption when the vehicle is stopped. The ISG's motor function is used to restart the engine. Its belt drive makes restart quiet and smooth. A high-capacity battery is installed to store the large amount of electricity required for engine assist. Deceleration energy is used to generate electricity. Stored electricity drives the motor, assisting the engine during acceleration, reducing fuel consumption through efficient energy management. SHVS, the new smart hybrid technology.